Well, happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. I was originally going to do this little demonstration with a green balloon in honor of St. Patrick's Day, but silly me ripped up my green balloon by accident on the previous try. So here I am with a blue balloon, but we'll give it a shot. Alright, so I'm going to show you today how viruses work, okay? And the deal with viruses is that they're pretty specific. They actually enter your cells, right? They kind of mimic hormones and whatnot. You know, they have receptors that specifically allow them to enter cells. So that makes viruses unique when you think about other pathogens like bacteria or fungi. So in a way, virus becomes you. They actually enter your cells. That's why it's oftentimes difficult to treat viruses, okay? So here's the deal. Like I said, the virus enters your cell. So in this case, again, the blue balloon that you see blowing in the wind there, that blue balloon is going to represent a cell. And in just a few moments, I'm going to turn this water hose on. Okay, so when a virus enters your cell, it basically hijacks the function of your cell, right? So you know your cell has the cell cycle, right? With G1, S, and G2, and mitosis and so forth, right? So during the S phase of the cell cycle, your DNA is replicated. That's old stuff. You know that from way back in the old days, like earlier in the year in biology, right? But when a virus takes over, it has its own DNA and its own enzymes, right? So instead of replicating your DNA, your cell is basically going to start making baby viruses. Okay, and I could word this a whole lot more sophisticated, but for the sake of a YouTube video, I think saying baby viruses is okay. So let's go over here. Bear with me. I'm trying to multitask here. So let's turn this water hose on. Okay, so it's starting to fill up. It's filling up. It's filling up. It's filling up. It's filling up. It's getting bigger and bigger. And that's what happens to your cell, right? It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So your cells, whether it's the flu in your chest or right? There you go. You see that? The balloon exploded. Let me cut this off here, right? So the balloon exploded. That's what happens to your cells. Your cells explode, right? And in big kid words, we say the cell has lysed. And that balloon squirted water everywhere, right? And the water lands all over the ground here. So your cell, with those baby viruses, when the cell lyses, the baby viruses go all over the place and they land on the next cell, and the next cell, and the next cell. And then you know what happens? The viruses enter those cells and the process starts all over again. So those are our last few little pieces of, there you go, of cell, right? So that's about it. That's how viruses manipulate our cells. So until next time, peace out and God bless.